Hello every single one of you beautiful people. Welcome to this New York Live with Eivindfx. Hope that you're having a fantastic day. I hope that you are refreshed, that you are nice, and that you are ready for the market, whatever it is, stock market, forex market, commodities market. All those markets are nice. So if you are here to make money, lose money, all those things, I guess that is okay. But my goal here is to make you a better forex trader, a better commodities trader, a better stock trader. That is my view, and then you need then to be acceptable to receive my experience and knowledge in some time. So if you're here for the first time, please make sure that you are asking your questions, because I am here to help you 100% of my time. Also, I'm going to be here as long as there's questions today. So today's going to be a long or short, depending on how much questions you have. I am going to go through dollars. I'm going to go through the stock market. I'm going to go through euro. I'm going to go through the yens. And then we shall see where we end up in the end. And did you guys make money or not? So right now, I just have one story for you, okay? One story for you. I do have a mentorship. I do mentor people one-on-one, and that is where this is coming from. Today, somebody told me that I have doubled the account. That by itself doesn't really butter anything, right? That doesn't make any sense, right? The context here is that person has been struggling for so long to get profitable over the long run that I'm so proud of this person. I'm not gonna say names, okay? But I just want to say I'm so proud of this person to now finally has come out profitable. There has been a lot of struggles. It has been very difficult for this person to get through. It's been a struggle. We can't deny that. But when you are at the other end, when you see the light of the tunnel, when you see the light of the stars, you also shine. I just want to say thank you very much, man, for being on my team. I'm proud to have you on my team, and I hope that, well, I also hope that you are going to continue to trade with me. So we can grow together. Now that you have created profitability, double the account in a good manner, now we shall continue. That is one story out of many stories out there of people who has come to me totally losing, and I have tried my best to turn them around. Is there other people that are still losing in my mentorship? Yeah, but that doesn't mean that we are not on the way. We're not on the road. We are soon ending there. We are soon coming there. So yeah. Another one is, I'm not going to mention names either. Losing over 10,000, tons of money, and has turned into be profitable. So I'm just saying that, people, there is hope. I wasn't actually just selling anything. My point was there is hope. That was my point. There is possibility. There is hope. It might be difficult. Never give up. That is why I'm here. Michael, my wife wants to talk to you. So if you please can send me a message, Michael. My wife wants to talk to you. Good afternoon. Good morning, Bert. Any trades? I hope I'm still in some Euro trades, and some New Zealand and some Aussie, but it's kind of choppy. It's kind of, pound yesterday was really interesting. It stopped me out and went down again. So I've been pretty aggro this morning, but ja, flott. You're not late, Dave. You are special on time. I have delayed today's live to make a new thumbnail. I don't know if you saw a new thumbnail, but I made a new thumbnail today. I've also delayed today's webinar live to make sure that I appreciate every single those 4,847. That's why today you can get a mentorship for $350 plus taxes, I think, for 1 full year. And I'm gonna take that away in the weekends. That is for a couple of 2 days. I was supposed to do that on the 5th, on 5,000, but I'm okay. Just gonna do it now because I feel like I'm kind. Do I need it? No, but if you want to, I have reduced the price. The actual price is $449 plus taxes for 6 months. This is $350 for 1 year. If that is something for you, okay, cool. Then I will work with you for 1 full year. The other thing is that I want to say today is, if you want me to do gold before I do gold, there's a super chat down there that has a very strong, what do you call it? Very strong impact on me, and I will do gold right away if you're wondering. The other one is, if you are a YouTube member, costs you whatever, it's not even $5, it's $2, $3, $4 a month. That also makes me implied to do gold if Michael, you're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. It's all love, bro. It's all love. But yeah. Today gold at 1785, USD cash at 15. Did you sold or buy that, Michael? Jacob from Tanzania. Karibu sana. Ahmad, good day. So, if we were done with the selling points, I don't feel like I sold anything to you guys. Do apologize if you feel sell. I was just sharing. Yeah. I was just sharing. Where did my profits go? Bought you at weekly M2. Happy day. Yeah. Hi, Suran. USD. So right now, okay. I did not expect that to happen on dollar. That's why you're seeing me. Should just get out. Terrible market conditions at the moment. I am getting out of here. I don't want to lose more money now. I'm just getting out. By the way, I'm taking profit, by the way, people, if you're wondering. Okay. I guess it goes. Yeah, that is... So I made a rule yesterday for myself. I need to see a higher high, and right now we're not seeing higher highs, so I am getting out. But okay, cool. I guess. It is what it is, I guess. I've seen your message, Mr. Michael. So, there we go. Out of that one. Now, I made money in the end, bro. I made money in the end. So, I just need to get back to my... What I was supposed to talk about? I was supposed to talk about trading, right? That's always fun. And then I'm just go update my... my calendar. So, right now we have... No, okay. So, there it is. You have to scroll down to the middle of the page. There is 350 a year. 1 space left. You're welcome. There is durable goods in 2 minutes, so we're gonna follow that, and then we are going to see Bank of Canada rate statement also going to go through today. And then I mentioned in the what do you call it? I mentioned in the description, is gold gonna rise? Oh, okay, maybe. Ciao, I guess. If you are called Hardik, can you look into buying Netcast again? That's if you're called Hardik. But that's all. So yeah, ciao. So dollar, whatever I'm talking about today is not financial advice, not trading advice whatsoever. I'm not going to tell you what to do, what not to do. That's up to you. I'm only going to talk about educationals, and I'm only going to talk about what I would do personally, all my personal opinion. Because trading forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. You can lose your entire account, like yesterday. Yesterday was a bad day for some of us, so nobody lost their account yesterday. but you can lose your entire account if you are not clearly what you're doing, okay? Good. The other thing is there is a link up there to my Discord. It's all for free, by the way, don't worry, it's all free. And I'm not gonna bother you. I might mention sometimes that there is a technical analysis course, there is a mentorship out there, there is a daily setup out there on Eivindfx.com. That is yours to go. I'm not gonna push you to do anything. You can pay with debit card, credit card, and Google Pay now, I think it is. So, fun. And I do apologize to daily setup people that I didn't add the video from yesterday too fast. Sorry, I will not until today. I'm sorry about that. There was a Zoom meeting yesterday, and we talked about only EURUSD is the only one to sell today. We also talked about the difficultness of yesterday, but generally speaking, we're still in good moods. And I mentioned that to the daily setup in the Discord, and also to the mentorship students what I was thinking in written form, so you didn't lose out of anything whatsoever if you saw those messages around. Salama malama. Salamat. Sorry. Short Euro USD. I just took profit on Euro USD sell, by the way. So I probably need to tell that to some people. TP on EU sell, and then because they're not here, so they're just remembering. Because they're not here. So anyways, where are we? Well, had a gold buy yesterday, I got stopped out big time, now I wouldn't be in profit. Yeah, that's kind of this situation for the past days, and I sold pound yen, and it went all the way up to my take profit target, and shaboom. So that is really annoying. I sold here and I sold here. So that is really annoying for me. Same thing happened to me. So what do I do now? I don't chase it, but I wish I had the strength to sell there. But that is a higher high for me. So what if price just went there? That's kind of what I was thinking. So I didn't want to lose more, and then bada bing, bada boom. So, let's go through the markets. I will try now. Okay. My sentiment is I was thinking bullish. Right now, that candle is very daunting. I don't want to be trading that one. So I'm just going to say, cool. If I'm a seller in dollar, is this a good trading pattern? Nah, not really. So if this falls now, then okay, because right now we have very difficult trading condition on the dollar. Well, it was great until literally 2 hours ago when we no longer rose. So if you are a seller, there's no real good setup here. But yeah. Are there oil inventories today? Is it Wednesday or is it Thursday? I thought it was Thursday. But I can always double check my calendar. That makes me 2 milliseconds. 2 milliseconds. That's supposed to be in half an hour, not half an hour. That's supposed to be in 1 hour. Is oil, crude, stocks? Yes. And then nat gas is tomorrow. I think it is. Is somebody calling me? Okay. Good. So what's really important right now, it is this Bank of Canada in half an hour, and then durable goods came out as stronger than expected. Non-defend capital goods is stronger than expected. That's forward guidance that it is actually dollar bullishness. No, bearishness, sorry. Durable goods orders September is -4 and was expected -1.1. So that's way better than expected. Durable goods X defense is -2. and that is not good, but it's not the highest one. This is one we're looking at the moment. So yeah, sure. I guess that's why the dollar is reacting at the moment. So yeah, going through the markets, just looking through it. Okay, so Nasdaq is, I think this is the buy prices from yesterday, I think it is maybe, or the day before. So not really any buys yet on S&P 500, Nasdaq, sorry. There is the buy prices today. That was the buy prices yesterday. So maybe you bought at 1553. That is, if you're in my mentorship course, that is your buy price. Bada bing, bada boom. And you're on profit, by the way. So yeah, you're short-term bearish on dollar. Okay, okay, Mr. Happy. Cool. No worries. Not gonna shoot you for that. Another one on S&P 500 still didn't come down yesterday to the target, to the entries. So hopefully it can come down to 45.50 today, and then going higher. But then if it just goes higher, then it goes higher, then whatever. Remember, we still have 45.18 as our price, but we were still very bullish, still going good. So yeah. Do you think gold can go up again? I think it's going up at the moment, but yeah. So I'm not going to do gold right now because nobody has asked for it. But okay, pulling it back at least, I guess. Aussie dollar. What is really happening here? Let me go to 1 week. So this is the sell price. This is the buy price. This is the buy price. So what are we doing right now on Aussie dollar? We are making a top. We're making a double top. We made a low, but apparently that it was not a good low anymore. So we are going strong higher. We are not bearish on Aussie, so there is no added trades other than this sell or whatever I sold. So yeah, sure. Cool, I guess. So if my bias is downtown and it's going higher, then I'm not going to buy it. So yeah, okay, cool, I guess. The other question here is euro dollar. Euro dollar has come down something. It's been a range bound for the last couple of hours. So we sold here, we sold here, we sold here. That's out at break even. That is out at profit. That is out of profit and out of profit. Didn't come down to the target yet, and I really don't like the pullback, so I freaked out. I'm sorry, I'm tired, exhausted, all those things. I do stupid stuff, but I think that is at least... I don't like the current price action on DXY. I don't like the current price action on Euro. I don't like the current price action on all the other dollar pairs. I didn't get the fall that I wanted. It probably can come in the end, I guess. But right now, we don't really have a bearish trend on pound, on euro. We have Aussie. So I'm like, I don't want to lose more money. I want to gain money. So I would rather be in a much better decision-making process. And I would rather want to be in much better market condition where we are making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. And we haven't really got that this week. We got some bearishness on euro, but there's also ECB tomorrow. That is a high risk event for euro. So for me, I'm like, well, okay, let me pass. I'm not gonna chase the market. But for pound dollar, we have a lower low at the moment. So it all depends on what you think pound is going to do next. Is it going to make a higher high? Is it going to make a lower low? Right now, this is a bearish setup more than anything else. Are you going to sell it tonight? Well, that all depends if you're making higher than here or if you are going lower than here. That means that if it makes a higher high, you probably won't sell it. But if it comes up to this current resistance that we currently are at, it's probably a good place to look for sells. I'm not telling you to sell it. I'm just saying that, well, yeah, that is probably a good place to sell. Other than that, pound yen is another one that I really wanted to have taken. This one is actually going into my failed book. I have realized that I did not trade this one well this time. I sold here. Okay, I sold here, but I took losses here for some absolutely stupid reasons. My stop loss should be up here, and I should also have sold here. I should have added the sells there. So that's kind of my learning curve there. I don't need to always expect. I need to have a plan B. So this plan B was not in my plan B. My plan B was, I think it was this one here. So that is my loss, and I lost enough on that trade. So I really need to learn from it. So one of the conclusions that I have made on pound yen for myself is I need to be able to sell that, not because it fell, but that's actually my trading setup plan B or my plan A longer term. And I know it's pound yen, it does move miraculously a lot. So yeah, now we are 27th of October. I hope you are planning for November. I hope you are making plans. I hope you are going back into what has happened previous years. How does the trading setups looks like? I hope you have made those decisions. Hope you have made those trading plans. You have done that research. I'm just telling you again, I'm not going to nag you with it anymore, because right now you should remember it. And you should be able to say that, well, Ivan, please, I made my decision. Cheers. But if your dollar ends low until November, I know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, other than that, I feel like pound yen could sell off tomorrow. It's just a feeling though. But ciao. It's not really great, but I will look into it together tonight with the mentorship students anyways. And also yen index is not really that great. There was some strength this morning. I also look at this yen index, and it's not really great. It's not really great price action. This is not a great reversal, so maybe the market won't reverse, by the way. But other than that, USD this was the buy for the week. Just mentioning that as well for you guys. And you are almost at take profit. At that one, I'm going to say boom. That's at least one thing I can boom. Euro USD is the other one I can boom. But yeah, USD not really. NASCAD, somebody asked to buy it. I guess it went down in the end. Pound CAD, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD. I thought it was going higher. I've said Pound CAD, don't trade it. Pound Aussie is falling at the moment. And that's apparently against what I thought is going to happen. But okay, I can be wrong. That is all great as well. So right now, this is the trade plan that I don't have. But this is what the market tends to apparently look into at the moment. So 80, 182, 25, 24, whatever. So going back to the real market again. Euro New Zealand is not bullish at the moment. It has not made a higher high. I know people have bought it. I took a stop loss there and I got out of it. So you should really then, consider what you do. Now you should really consider what you should do. But really, in the mean scheme, in the grand scheme of things, it's still a bearish trend. And I knew that anyways. So, who cares? Teddy bears. Gold gang? Is there a gold gang in here? We have just been here for 23 minutes though, but okay. So if there's a gold gang here, I can do gold next. But while I wait for the gold gang to get into it, nobody of the mentorship YouTube members wanted to do this one. But okay, cool. I guess it is what it is. You got a second chance at 81.05, and I just need to. So you still got a second chance on oil buy for this week. Is it a good price action? Yeah, I say it's bullish. It can still fall a bit more, but this was the first one. This is one you were supposed to take. So if it comes down now, you can buy it again, yes. But the risk is high for it to fall, I guess. But yeah, sure. So it all depends on the. I guess the reason why it came back is because the oil inventory is coming in 45 minutes. So maybe you should trade after that. If this number is higher than this one, that means that oil will probably fall because there is more supply than expected, or more in stocks than expected. If this number that comes out in 1 hour or 45 minutes is lower than this one, it's expectation, consensus, yeah, then we are probably going to see oil rise. And that is probably going to be fast. So if you're going to be a trader and you're like, I'm going to trade your thing, sure, have fun. But just making sure we all the just making sure we're all the same on the same boat. Gold, for someone who waited for gold. So what is happening here at the moment? For the week, we have gone up to the sell price, we have gone down to the buy price. So is this a place where you can buy gold? Yeah, I would say so, yes. Especially now that you got dollar weakness, and if that continues, then the gold is probably going to go higher. And the other thing to this is, I am in no way or shape or form buying or selling gold at the moment. That should speak volumes, okay? That should speak volumes to you. When the professionals are not trading it. But there you go, have fun with it. The next thing is this a good buy setup? Yeah. It's okay. It works out. It's not what I dream about every day, but yeah, okay. So if you're thinking that oil gold is going to go higher, then you're thinking 1813. But if you have sold it and you're still struggling with your sells and you're thinking, aha, this is a new lower low, this has not gone above 1800 again, that is one going lower. So as long as we are below 1800, that can change anytime soon, by the way, we can still fall. But where do I think it's going to go? Honestly speaking, I think it's going to go lower. But that is not my trading advice whatsoever. That's just my personal opinion on the general term, on a general speaking term. Okay, good. Silver on the same side. Sure, still way more bullish though. So I guess it goes. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot to say that. But yeah, there we are. So, what was I supposed to talk about? I did gold, I did silver, and then Nasdaq. Natgas, sorry. That's purely my error there. That's an error of the operator. But that's a buy. And that's also apparently a buy. Dave asks if he should hedge his trades. If gold goes higher, he has 4 positions to sell. My general theory, my general opinion there is I would never hedge, so that's a no. The second thing is you need to be strong in your belief that this is going to go lower, But you also need to have your stop loss and your lot size and everything correct. So if you have opened up gold positions, which I clearly had opinions against, Dave, you have to take the consequences of it going to stop loss. Even though you like it or not. So if this one rises, then sure, then that is what it is. But if you are out at break even at gold, if this is your break even prices, I would run with those. If you can get break even, then run. But if you're still in it, sure. But it's your choice, bro. It's your choice. I'm not making the choices for you. Pound yen looks such a good sell. Pound dollar looks like a good sell. Also yen. Somebody asked for New Zealand dollar. Okay, so we're just gonna say range bound. It didn't break. It didn't go higher. Didn't go lower. So right now on New Zealand dollar, we are looking into what is gonna happen next. If you have buys at this bottom, okay, cool, I guess. If you have sells at the top, okay, I guess. And then we are basically stuck there. So this is short term though, so I would just listen in and see what's happening. So if we can go up here and then make a double top and then fall, we can have this as a continuing support to hold, and then as long as this is holding, we are all good to go higher, kind of a thing. So what if I would be you, if I would have some entries in here, or try to at least. If you don't have it, just wait for a new higher high, higher low situation continuation. But you're coming into November now. Just remember where we end October in going into November. Just remember to always make sure that if we start high of the month, are we going to continue higher? Probably something. I don't have any opinions on stop losses now. So right now, ciao, 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 ciao. If you have orders in here and you are in loss or break even or whatever you are, your buy is technically still valid, whatever it is. So just Bogdan, sorry, SNB. Yeah, I think I've seen you before. USD CAD. That is 6 minutes until this one will either poo or fall. So what is the interest here? It is interest rate. Are we going to increase the forward guidance or lower? That's going to send this one to the moon. That's going to send this one to the rocks. Okay, that's what we're going to look at. So for those who are into USD CAD, we're probably going to look into that very sharply within the next 5 minutes. This is not a USD CAD or Bank of Canada live stream, but I probably will turn into in a couple of minutes. So I will take the other things. But Dave, you can send me your positions on WhatsApp, and then I can look at them. Okay. Oh, there's been people subscribing to the channel. I didn't see it. People, please tell me if there's somebody doing that. Apparently my eyes are broken. Sorry, mate. So yeah, thank you for those two who joined in. Happy to see you. Happy to have you here. So USD CAD at the moment, I was bullish on this one. Sorry, I wasn't bullish. I was range bound. I didn't have any bias here. I was whatever happens. So it has been difficult trading lately on USD CAD, but still, if you bought, so if you have my strategy here, I'm going to use US30 anytime soon, Mr. Sheikh. If you see 9 a.m., that is not the top, okay? 9, that is the bottom. That was a good buy. And then 9 a.m., yeah, that is a good bottom. Then we see 9 a.m. Yeah, it wasn't perfect. So 9 a.m. is when I buy, and then there was some losses here, there was some loss here, and there was 2 days with perfect entries. There was 2 days with 2 days with some losses, but none of them made lower lows, so you shouldn't be stopped out of that. Hard work, dedication, John says, I make 8% profit on my account for this week. I'm currently down 6%. That's meaning you're up 2% for the week. Would you recommend me stopping trading for the week? Okay. Let me do a quick one on US 30, a quickie there, and then I'm going to talk to you about that because that is the wrong mentality how it works. So I would say, well, yesterday's entry got triggered this morning. So there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. You got entered at 11 a.m. That is 4 hours ago. Bing, bada boom. Congratulations. Bada boom, boom, boom. So you should be in buys here, and everything is bullish. Everything is great. Still going higher. Still going strong, and everything is good. So yeah, that is also the prices I wanted for the week. We haven't got that one, so we're still waiting for that one to fall, drop down there, and then go back up again. We haven't done that, but I'm hoping for that, but it didn't happen so far, so I can't really bug that question as to what you should have done. This is your daily entry, this is a weekly entry, and monthly trade entries is down here. So all good to the upside. The reason why your mentality is wrong is because you should be trading 20 trades on demo, for example. When you have those 20 trades, you are still trading your setups, okay? Trading setups. And that comes sometimes, a lot of them, and sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. And sometimes you won't get any single thing. But what you need to continue doing is following your setups. But if you prove over 20 trades that you can be profitable on demo, there shouldn't be a problem about losses. There shouldn't be a problem about you having drawdowns. If you're 2% profit this week, good, great. But what you really then need to look into is, what is your trading setups? What is your process? That's what's going to set you free. If you start adding into, well, I've been having like 5% loss this week, probably your lot size is too high, by the way. Your risk is too high, by the way. And, well, I'm not going to do anything. I've done that, and I've lost tons of opportunities by being defensive, not paying attention to the market, not being there where I'm supposed to be. So, yeah. Really, not really what I would like to see. Is it supposed to be like in 3 minutes? Is this what? I will go to a different economic calendar. Economic calendar, and there we go. So I do care about your stop loss if it's more than 5%. I do care about that, but generally speaking, is that you need to be able to see which setups you're trading, and that should be profitable over the long run. Yeah, so that's kind of my answer in terms of you. Beirut, Amman, West Africa, Belgrade, Johannesburg, Paris, Copenhagen. And then in Copenhagen, that should be at... okay, it's in 1 hour. Ei! Det mulig, da? Komplette idioter. But okay. YouTube says that you guys are buffering. Are you guys buffering? Anyways, yeah, okay, cool. But I thought I was in 1 hour. Is that in 1 full hour for now? Det mulig, da? Vel. Okay, then it probably won't do it anyways. Pound yen. I've been so beaten up pound yen at the moment. But yeah, okay, cool. Pound yen, we are, at least for this fall to see, we are middle or low. I will look to sell it tomorrow or tonight or whatever, but not right now. And then we'll see what happens next. Yen is... Tja, is it strong? It's strong, but it doesn't make a higher high. Bank of whatever. It's pound that really fell it's really pound that fall on pound yen. So you should really look into how pound is moving more than pound yen at the moment. But so far it's a lower low and break higher. Sorry, and pull back higher. So sure, I think you can maybe short it tomorrow. That's not really a trading advice whatsoever. But yeah. And then target for the week is down at 154.80. But this one can fall if it starts falling. Okay. I appreciate it, bro. Great advice. Yeah. So... But yeah, the thing is, you're still in profit. You're not losing tons of money. If you're losing tons of money, then you probably should get out. But if you are floating 6% loss, then you probably also need to look at your current or lot size more than anything else. If you are subscribed to the right channels that you are supposed to be doing, if you're subscribed to ING has a very nice chart for tomorrow. And let me see if I can I move it in here? I don't know. Can I? Okay, so save photo, save it at the desk. What you can call it, ECB meeting, ECB rate maybe. Call it that, and then I can pull it up here somewhere. There we go. So, ECB for tomorrow. Oops. Nej. Too late. Okay, so here we are. Let me just see if you guys can see it well. Good. So for tomorrow, you kind of have to have this. It's kind of this matrix for tomorrow, and if they are for inflation, whatever they're going to say that in inflation, that we are acknowledging that there are high inflation, but core will fall in 2022, then we're not going to have no change in price. That's around the same price. If they are concerned about too low inflation, then they're going to fall. And if the upside risk to inflation has increased and could prove to be persistent, which is probably not going to say anyways, that is going to send euro dollar to the moon. And we have seen persistently above target, inflation above target. That is going to send euro dollar to even more to the moon. So then you're going through this matrix, and then you're kind of landing somewhere between 1550 and 1700 probably tomorrow, but most likely it's gonna just basically just end in here because there's not really that much inflation, and they are still very transitionary and doesn't really want to see that there is inflation. But you still need to have that proven that they actually don't see risk to inflation, right? So this is presented. Sorry, this is being posted in the Discord channel. If you want to have that somewhere to look at yourself, but also I just want to mention to you guys that it's out there. There is resources for you to help with these interest rate meeting decisions, all those decisions, blah 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 blah. All right. But okay, cool. So really, at this moment, can you sell euro again? I probably wouldn't. Can you sell pound again? Sure, have fun with that. Kind of like a weird place to be selling though. I would probably trade oil. I would probably trade nat gas before anything else, and then see how far we go. But yeah, so it's kind of difficult. Well, it's euro is bearish, okay. But other than that being bearish, it's kind of also not really falling at the moment. So if you have the patience to discipline to hold it out, cool. I just wanted to get my profit secured, and but yeah, can I sell it tomorrow? Sure. If I have given you any whatsoever value today whatsoever, please hit the like button if you feel like that was something that you want to do. The next one is DBS says that gold is going to knock on 1980 door, and current price is 1793, so that's a bullish outlook there. S&P 500 set to soar by 47.50 by the end of the year. Pound dollar to nosedive into low 130 lows on low UK growth and BOE disappointment. The pound has proven to be stable across the US dollar most of this year, averaging around 138.50 since March, although it briefly hit a low of 134.12 at the end of September. Economist says that it's expected cable to sink into mid-low 130s, aimed the concerns that the UK economy will slow more than notably to the end of the year. That is totally opposite of what they were talking about 2 days ago, where they were pricing in rate hikes and that the UK was going on full steam and all those whatnot things. So what has really happened to UK economics? Let's go see that, and then UK, United Kingdom, and then their inflation rate is at 3.1% and 0.3. GDP is at 5.5. Previous negative 1.4. So I don't see that concern though. I still see very strong data points. But sure. The lack of support for the pound from the higher UK rates still struggle that fundamental factors are driving the higher UK rates are not fully supportive for the stronger dollar. The risk of high inflation become more embedded in the UK economy, posing downside risk for the long-term pound valuation. Okay, cool. I guess it is what it is. Other than that, USD yen not really moving much. New Zealand yen still not fully bearish, not really broken lower. So maybe coming up here is a good thing to see for the lower side. Euro yen, sure, made a lower low today. Can look to sell that tonight again, I guess. So, but also there's ECB tomorrow. CAD yen is definitely the weakest one. That is probably the best pair to trade. I would be very surprised if that was the outcome by the end of the week. No, by the beginning of the week, I wouldn't really anticipate that. But okay, I guess it falls. And then Aussie yen also now looks to maybe having to top out and going lower. Other than that, is there anything else you guys are wondering about? We have been here for 49 minutes. I can still be here and can still talk. But yeah, any more questions? Is there questions out there that I haven't really said well? Hardwork says I have 25 charts open. I marked them all up, then I scanned them to find setups. I just trade 2 to 3 pairs. Which would you recommend? First of all, I want to say follow one currency, either dollar, either yen, either euro, either pound. And within those, you've probably found 2 to 3 pairs that is actually going with you, and then trade those. Which pairs I trade? Mostly euro, dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. It's probably my favorite ones. But also the Aussie yen, Euro yen, and New Zealand yen. It's kind of my favorite. So depending on who is moving, if it's dollar or yen, then sure. Then I'm happy about that. But that is a whole new hour until until CAD interest rate meeting is going to be. So sure, I guess we have some time to spend until then. I'm not going to be live until that time. I thought it was going to be announced 10 minutes ago, but sure, we will take it a different day. But yeah. But yeah. Other than that, I think I'm gonna jump off the cliff here and see what I can do next, and then hopefully catch you up later. All right, thank you guys for joining in today. Hope you are having a fantastic day. I'm gonna go back to making some nice video for you on the moving averages. So please tell me if that's one thing you like. I'll probably do that today. I will do research today and then probably film it tomorrow and hopefully post it on Friday. Hopefully, if I am able to. Other than that, people, have a great day. Love you guys. Love your family. Mwah. Good night, Michael. Take care. Take care. Tomorrow again? Yeah. Same time. London Open is always where I'm at. Also, Swiss looks good for the short side. Yeah, maybe. Have a good day.